Today we're gonna be making a cocktail we found on Pinterest called the Creamsicle Prosecco Float, and it had us at Creamsicle.
The creator of this cocktail goes by Spices in My DNA on Pinterest. The inspiration for this drink came from the old school Flintstone Push Pops that we used to eat back in the day. Do you remember those?
I sure do.
If you're an 80s or 90s baby, you for sure had 1 or 2 of these, or 10,
Yeah.
or 20, or a whole box. This cocktail is super simple. I love that about it. It's only 3 ingredients. All you need is some vanilla ice cream, some orange sherbet, and some Prosecco.
That's it.
If you want to make this drink and you need a bottle of Prosecco, check out bottlerover.com and get a bottle delivered to your door.
It's so simple. You're gonna make it right in your glass. You don't need a shaker, so we love that. First, add 2 balls of orange sherbet right into your glass. Next, add 2 balls of vanilla ice cream right on top of that.
And then top it off with some Prosecco.
Garnish your drink with a cute little mint sprig and a orange twist. And now you can taste it, eat it, drink it.
All of the above.
Exactly.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh, I'm gonna mix it up.
This is really good.
This is like good for like a brunch cocktail, right?
Yeah, and it's so cute.
So cute.
It's so cute and so simple to make.
And different. It's not like your average mimosa, you know? It's ice cream. Grab yourself a little spoon and get in there, girl.